Hey, be honest for a sec. You ever feel like your confidence just quietly disappeared? Not all at once, but slowly, like it got drained over time? Yeah, that's not random. That's you doing a few small things every day that chip away at it, without even noticing. So let's fix that. Here are 5 habits you need to quit before they completely destroy your confidence. You already know this one, but you keep doing it anyway. You open your phone, scroll for 5 minutes, and suddenly you feel like you're behind in life. But here's the truth. You're comparing your whole story to someone else's single chapter, and it's killing your self-worth. You can't build confidence while staring at someone else's progress. You keep saying yes to everyone but yourself, and then you wonder why you feel drained all the time. Listen, every time you ignore what you want, just to keep others happy, you teach your brain that your needs don't matter. That's not kindness, that's self-erasure. You know that endless loop in your head? The one where you play out every possible outcome, every tiny detail? Yeah, that's not you being careful. That's you trying to control everything because deep down, you don't trust yourself yet. Confidence doesn't come from getting it perfect. It comes from taking the shot anyway. You keep replaying your old mistakes like a broken record, and every time you do, you relive the same shame, the same regret. But you can't grow while you're busy punishing yourself for who you used to be. Let it go. You've learned. You've changed. Move forward. Confidence fades when you stop showing up for you. Skipping rest, ignoring your health, numbing your mind with distractions, it adds up. You can't feel strong in a body and mind you keep abandoning. Take care of yourself, even in small ways. That's where self-respect grows. So yeah, maybe you're not broken. Maybe you're just stuck in habits that keep dimming your light a little every day. But the good news? You can quit all 5, starting today. Because real confidence isn't about being loud or fearless. It's about finally trusting yourself again. So quit comparing, quit pleasing, quit overthinking, stop living in the past, and stop forgetting yourself. You're not missing confidence. You've just been burying it under bad habits. Dig it back up. It's still there. All right, guys, see you soon. Keep watching and growing with Reformic.